But ask the animals, and they will teach you, or the birds in the sky, and they will tell you. Or speak to the earth, and it will teach you, or let the fish in the sea inform you. Which of all these does not know that the hand of the Lord has done this? In his hand is the life of every creature and the breath of all mankind. Job 12:7-10.
Well, I just got off the phone with my buddy Wilson. So I don't know if you guys remember him or not, but he was on one of the episodes of Food for the Plot. He's a firefighter, all that good stuff. So he called and invited me to go duck hunting with him tomorrow night. So I think that sounds like a pretty good time. So this is going to be an introduction into a new video, hopefully. Prayers up that we are successful and harvest some birds tomorrow night. Got to go get my stamps and get some stuff ready tonight, but ought to be a good time. Sounds like hunting over a pond with a mix of ducks and possible geese coming in. So that ought to be pretty cool. Laying in layout blinds, and ought to be a good time. So I'm really looking forward to it. Probably get some of my stuff prepped tonight, to be honest with you. Deer hunt in the morning, and then we'll go out there tomorrow evening and do some hunting. So ought to be a good time. Hopefully I will see you guys from a layout blind doing some waterfowl hunting. Stick with it.
Right out front.
Go ahead.
There's two groups. I think we broke a couple off here. We shot a pair. Dude, they just came right in. These three are. Almost to the trees. They're gonna come right over to us. Gonna come right to us. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
This is gonna get good. I think we can hit a couple of them.
Get up real slow.
Yep.
Fuck, big line. There's another group way out there to the right. What's that? Another group way out there to the right.
Hit that.
Stay on him, Wilson.
They were. They're kind of doing the goofy shit.
They might give us a look. There's another group way out there to the right.
What's that?
Another group way out there to the right.
Attention first.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
That dog's dead.
Yeah, see, hit him in the head. At the base of the head.
Hey, he's not as bad as I thought.
He tore up.